Welcome to Mac's channel. Today, let's learn how to install macOS Tahoe on an unsupported Mac. Before installing macOS Tahoe on unsupported Macs, it's necessary to make a full and bootable clone for the old system. Also, you can create a clone for the Mac after installing the macOS Tahoe as a full backup. OpenCore Legacy Patcher (OCLP) modifies macOS to bypass hardware restrictions, adding necessary drivers and kernel patches. Download OCLP from the official GitHub repository. 2. Open OCLP and select Build and install OpenCore 3. Choose the USB installer you created. 4. Apply patches for CPU, GPU, and Wi-Fi compatibility. 5. Reboot your Mac and hold Option key to select the patched USB drive. 6. Follow the macOS installer prompts. DOS-dude patchers have been a reliable tool for installing macOS on older machines. While they are less maintained than OCLP, they still support many older Mac models. 1. Download the macOS Tahoe patcher from DOS-dude's website. 2. Run the patcher, which prepares the USB installer with all necessary patches. 3. Boot from the USB installer by holding Option opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. 4. Follow the installation prompts. 5. Apply post-installation patches provided by DOS-dude for full hardware support. If modifying your main system is risky, consider running macOS Tahoe in AVM1, Tools, UTM, VMware Fusion, VirtualBox, or Parallels Desktop. 2. Allows testing new features without affecting existing macOS installations. 3. Limitations. Performance depends on host Mac's hardware. GPU acceleration may be limited. The above is the main content of today's video. You can also go to the following website to obtain more detailed text content. See you next time!